Question 11, we've got a sec theta plus tan theta, and we've got to find the reciprocal of it. I think I'll play about with this before I go into it. So sec, of course, is 1 over cos, and tan is sine over cos. And so I've got 1 plus sine theta over cos theta. And so the reciprocal of this, 1 over x, is this thing upside down. So I've got cos theta over 1 plus sine theta. That's not quite what they want us to get there, though, is it? So one trick that we could do with this, much like we did with that surd earlier, was if you're struggling, what you can do is you can times by 1 minus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta and see what happens now. In that on the top here, we're going to get cos theta and 1 minus sine theta. And on the bottom, we've got 1 minus sine squared theta. And 1 minus sine squared theta is cos squared theta. And that means we can cancel this cos here with one of those. Now we're there. So we've got 1 over cos theta minus sine theta over cos theta. So I've got sec theta minus tan theta, which is what we were asked to show. I think thinking about all of that, I might not have actually bothered doing this line here. If I did that again, I might just sort of say, just do the reciprocal of it and then times by sec theta minus tan theta. You get the same sort of idea. But what we've got now then is that x is equal to this and 1 over x is equal to that. And I've got to do something with x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. And I'm actually thinking I'm not going to work all of these out. I don't want to square all these things again. I'm thinking, isn't this the same as x plus 1 over x all squared? Isn't this the same as x plus 1 over x times by another x plus 1 over x? Because look, you'd get x times x is x squared. You'd get 1 over x times 1 over x, which is 1 over x squared. And then you'd get 1 from that and 1 from that, making 2. So having spotted that, I think that makes that a little bit easier, doesn't it? Because now you've got x plus 1 over x. So these two things added together, the tans are going to cancel out. So that just gives us sec theta plus another sec theta. And I need to square that. So it's 4 sec squared theta and finished. Now just spotting that there probably saves us a lot of squaring. Just had a look at it, it's not too bad. If you do the x squared here, you get all of this. If you do the 1 over x all squared, you get all of that. And if you add these two things together, these bits are going to cancel out. And we're going to get 2 sec squared thetas. And then we're going to get 2 tan squared thetas as well. But those tan squared thetas are just going to be sec squared thetas minus 1. And so look, 2 and the other 2, there's the 4 sec squared thetas, and the 2's cancel out. It's not so bad. That was smart. That works.